Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in West Covina. And we're at this location because this is one of the champs that's closing. So let's go. 50% off. Pretty much everything. I think Air Forces and Jordan Retros, those are the only things exempt. $10, so that means everything is $5. These are $5. These are the new era ones. Got clippers right here for $5 freaking. Hella cheap. I might have to grab one of these for one of the homies. Who else? What else? What else? Clippers on sale. Lakers not on sale. But I think that's because this is a newer one. This is from this year. All those other beanies are from last year. And I also got these as well. But yeah, they're regular price. But you know, 50% off. So $70. $70 for Magic Johnson jerseys. That's a small, medium, and a medium right there. So small, medium, medium. They got the Bel Air shorts right here. They got these at the clearance store, the outlet, which we'll visit in a few minutes. I did come here a couple days ago. I didn't have time to take a video, only because I was in a hurry, man. I got a job, I got stuff, man. So I was in a super quick hurry. So this is where you're gonna find some of the dopest stuff right here in the men's section right here. We've seen these. Look at this, $50 freaking. Remember, you do get an extra 50% off all this stuff. These are not retros. These are just the performance Jordans. So 50%, $25, $25 freaking. Kyrie's for $25 freaking. Remember, you get full box everything. That is a size 11 right there. Need some LeBron lows. $50 freaking right here. Pretty freaking insane. Crocs down to $15. Like, that's the cheapest we've seen them. These are $55, so what is that, $27.50. Another $15 Croc right here. But these aren't the original, but yeah, $15 though, $15. The cheapest LeBron 2021s we've seen, because remember, 50 off, so that's what, $70. $50 for these mother lovers right here. The Kyrie 5 lows. $35 for the Air Max 90s right there. That's the Terra Escape colorway. And that's cheaper than the outlets. When you see these sales, you do have to pounce. Not everything's the greatest deal, because these is $2, so still $100, but still just as cheap as the outlets. I'm sure all the dope Ultra Boosts have sold out, because they just dropped the price a couple days ago. I actually came here the day they dropped the prices, but like I said, I didn't have time to make video. I was in a huge hurry. I did get Ultra Boost for women for $35. Wish I showed you guys that. They got Retro Peas right here. And they have the latest Steph Curry's right here. And you know what I'm saying? Like, you get them for 50% off. Like, you really can't beat that. These are the Curry 11s. Some Under Armours right here. Some Hovers right here. And then look, the Project Rock. I think these are the BSRs. The slightly cheaper ones. Yeah, the BSR 2s. $30 freaking. They're $30. If you're a gym rat, that's what's up. Stuff like this being given away for $15. Even the Club C's, $30 for all those. Hell of a solid deal. $20 for all the Chucks right there. And those things that aren't Chucks. The Ghost right here, look at this. Look at this, $140 down to $20. 20 effing dollars, those are the Ghost 15s. I think the 16s are out, but still $20? That's a bigger size though. Pretty much $30 for all these Adidas bad boys right here, the Adidas foams. What is this? What is this? New Balance? I thought these were some KDs. No, there's some New Balance right here. I don't know, but they on sale. Got a bunch of different colorways. 550s, you're really not gonna see 550s for $40 anywhere. I don't see any Taylor Swift colorways, but $40. MD's going for 40 right there. MB1 down to $80. I did tell my nephews about this one. Yeah, I texted them about all these. That's going for 40. And then all these are still 125 minus. I think this one might have gone up a little. Oh yeah, 125, yeah. All 125, you do get that extra 50 off. So what's that, $62.50? That's hella cheap. The only exceptions, retros, Air Forces, and Tech Fleece. That's it. But yeah, look, Vapor Max $50. Got these for 50 bucks. Ultra Boost right there. Okay, so I was here a couple days ago, like I said, and all the Ultra Boost, they had $75 Ultra Boost. And I grabbed one of those for one of my workers for what Christmas present. I bought 8 of my workers, like all presents, and I packaged them a bunch of stuff. But yeah, I think it was 75. I think it was 75. I don't really see any more here. Yeah, they all got bought up. I don't blame y'all. Whoever came. Because like I said, I bought one for my worker. Women's Vapor Max Plus going for freaking $40. Pretty insane. Vapor Max right here going for $120. So that's about 60 bucks. Hirachis right here, $40 a piece for those. NMD that I showed earlier, 40 bucks. Grade school size is like 25 freaking dollars, 25 bucks. If your girl needs these or your kid needs these, what the hell? I've never seen this color the way of the Stackhouse, and I haven't even seen Stackhouse at the malls like that. That's pretty dope. $30 for these Prestos right here. So $15 for grade school. 25 for those Air Maxes right here. Hella clean. 25 bucks. Halloween colorway right here, and this one looks pretty dope. With at nighttime with that lights on it, that's pretty dope. And then got these going for 50. Do got Airmore up tempos right here. And look at this for grade school. Oh my god, if I can get one of these for men's, holy cow. Oh, this is Ultra Boost that I did get. I guess I got her. Oh no, this is a women's. This is a 7, so this is a women's. I grabbed this, and yeah, I paid 35 for these. And yeah, my worker was happy as hell. She's like, oh, I needed some money. She was all happy. That's what's up. I did check the apparel, $5 for all this stuff, so $2.50 for cross-color shirts, stuff like that. I didn't really see anything super hyped, anything super dope. The jorts, the jean shorts, $2.50, cheaper than the freaking Champs Outlet. They got some dope starter stuff, Mitchell and Ness stuff right here. Definitely worth it if that's what you need. But yeah, 50% off all that stuff, Mitchell and Ness shorts. And stuff like that as well. That's what's up. 50% off. Pro Standard, 50% off. And by the way, the mall opens at 9 freaking a.m., which is insane. I was talking to workers. I was like, who the hell comes here at 9 a.m.? Other than like people like me, I guess. But yeah, oh, look at this. They do have one of these shorts. 50% off, then 50% off. So 25% of the original price. So what is that? 30 bucks? 30 bucks? Damn, not bad. It's like $31.75 or something like that. But yeah, 30 bucks for that. Not seeing much else though. The Tech Fleece, not a part of the 50% off. But yeah, I got legit stuff. Look, this is 50% off right here. That's a women's right there. They got some legit stuff. Definitely worth checking out. And guarantee you nobody else showed you guys this. So yeah, man. Let's go. They do have a Nordstrom's rack. I just don't have the energy to search through all this stuff like that. But some of y'all been finding deals at Nordstrom's rack though. I did stop by this Fans, which is on my lids. Did grab a couple of beanies here. All the Rams. Oh yeah, I grabbed a couple of these for my workers too. What is your 15 bucks for all those? Yeah, and I did look here. They don't really have any additional discounts, you know. So like these jerseys are like $55, which ain't bad, but just not like really good. This is the kids one going for 50. Matthew Stafford, Kansas City Royals baseball jersey. These are down to 70. These are on like 100, right? Yep. Trey Lance kiddos jersey, 25 for that one. Yeah, just not the craziest. This one's fire, dude. This is fire. This is a Fanatics Kings jersey with the Lakers colorway. These are down to $65. This is a small, normally $130. They got a few of those. Like I wouldn't mind getting one of these, to be really honest, but I don't want to pay $65. So maybe semi-annual clearance sale. Maybe I'll grab some of this stuff. Then they got this colorway as well. Yeah, we'll see though. We'll see. What's this? Oh, it's the kids. Is that a kids or is that? No, this is not a kids. It's a men's. Yeah, 53 for those. And only 76. Dude got a Border skate shop. They've been getting all kinds of dunks and stuff. Interesting setup. They got some of the sneakers here. Nikes on the left right there. And they got sneakers in the way back as well. Do got a bunch of the ice shods. Going for 40% off. All kinds of colorways. Haven't seen all these at the Nike outlet, obviously. So most are 40% off. Some are 50% off. Okay, this one's 50 off, and the price is lower because it's older. Then they got some that's going for regular price down here. SB Blazers. Dude got 50% off of those, and then they show you the sizes too, which is dope. Kind of a Dodgers colorway right here, 50% off. Then they got these right here, which are the Grant Taylors, which are pretty much Blazers, right? They're pretty much Blazers. They're 85. Then you get 50 off of these as well. Got plenty of colorways. Chuck Taylors. They got a bunch of the 70s right there. They got the regular ones here. I don't see any of these on sale. The Chucks never go on sale. God damn, dude. All the non-Chuck Converse, those are on sale for 30 to 50% off. Then they got the New Balance. These are the 1010s. 1010s right here, which are pretty nice. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. The 808s right here. I guess they have a signature line for Thiago right here. These don't look bad. These kind of remind me of some of their running shoes. But yeah, these ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. Material is just super, super nice. Suede on that is hella nice. What's the price on these? $115. I can see the material is super nice. Dude, still got these. We've seen these at outlets here and there. $125 for those dunk highs. Then a bunch of Vans on sale, like 50% off. The old schools right here, those are $70. 50 off of that. Old schools right here. Oh, these are kids. But yeah, 42. And you get 50 off. The material on these are so freaking nice. These are $75, 50 off. Pretty much all of them on sale. Pretty nice. Finish line. Let's go. Got some Champion dunks right here. And it's like hard as, god dang, it's like super, super hard, man. I just made that with metal. What the hell? Solutions. We've been seeing these here. Adidas foams on sale everywhere. Get those at the Champs, man. Downstairs, dude. But yeah, Blazers right here. 312s. I've been seeing these on sale everywhere. Still do have these bad boys right here. The 11 Gratitudes. Jordan section right here. Oh, there's decent stuff, but nothing crazy. And they do have a pair of Currys. I think these are some older ones, huh? Curry 9s? Oh, they have Curry 9s. They're on the 11s. And that's probably why they're on sale. Look at that, $55. Holy cow. Holy cow. That's the cheapest Currys I've seen in a long time. Got some Air Max on sale. Air Max 97s. Just tough to compete with downstairs. Then they got these. I've never seen this color right here. Little trim of gold. Pretty dope. Color blocking on that. And they got the white with the black midsole. Okay. Got a Foot Locker right here. All right, seeing if they have anything unique, because obviously the prices aren't going to be anything close to downstairs at that Champs. Still got these available right here. And got a bunch of red tags, but nothing super crazy though, to be really honest. Still got these Jordan 1 highs right here, which is pretty dope. And these Air Max 90s right here. Interesting material on the upper right there. Has this just been scratched, or is it? I'm so confused. Yeah, it's like changes, like it changes texture or something, like when you move. What the hell? It's kind of crazy. And I do got 70% off, so 55, 70% off of that. Got some shorts. Nothing too crazy, to be honest. All right, quick pit stop here because one of the homies did ask me for a couple of things. That's what happens when you spread info to your boys, man. My bad, you guys. I was in such a hurry to grab all these sneakers and stuff like that. Did grab these for one of the homies, MB slides right here, the Mellow Ball slides. Yeah, I got these for 50% off. Then the Digi Camo, is that what they call these? I don't know. Digi Camo Mellow Ball ones, 50% off. Kind of crazy. And I may or may not have used the coupon too. That's what's up. Both of these after freaking tax, came out to freaking $49. $49. This is $125. This is another what, $50, something like that. Came out to $49, yo. After tax. That's crazy.